how to fix Venmo transfer failed. If you're having any kinds of transfer failed issues on Venmo, what you want to do is first you need to confirm that your linked bank account is active of the Venmo. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply verify that you have enough available balance to transfer as well. After that, if you're still facing any kinds of problem while using the application or website, what you want to do is you want to simply completely close the app or website over here and check for internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, you want to simply visit the website or the application over here. And if you are still having any kinds of issues, what you want to do is you want to simply contact the support team over here. You want to simply tap on your search bar and type in Venmo support team. Tap on the first website that you see and you'll be able to specify your problem over here on your Venmo support teams. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.